Hey everyone, if you are trying to remove the gamma watermark from your images or presentations, you are in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you a quick and easy way to do it. First, it's important to know that gamma watermarks are easily added to images or slides when you are free version of the gamma tool. Uh, if you to remove them, you will either need to upgrade to a premium plan or use a simple editing trick. Here's how to do it in Canva. You can do it by using Canva. First, go to open Canva and go to presentations from here. Then you can select file, then uh, open it, then upload file, and then select the file which you downloaded from Gamma. Now after uploading is the crop or frame tool to carefully cut out the watermark if it's located in a removable section. uh, Select it. Just you can also try adjusting and transparency or using the blur tool or to hide the water more naturally, or you can select backspace to remove it. If you have Canva Pro, you can use the background remover tool for a cleaner finish. Select your image and click edit image. Use the background remover and erase the watermark area without affecting the rest of the image. Uh, then after completing removing the gamma watermark, now it's time to download the file. Select share, then from here select download, then select file type. From here select pptx as file type, then select download, and it will be downloaded as a PowerPoint file to your PC. And that's how you can remove gamma watermark. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.